About a week ago, my iRobot vacuum decided it didn't want to play anymore. It's having trouble connecting with the internet or something. I contacted the tech support folks. They're great, by the way, but they tried everything they could think of, and they are escalating it to the higher level tech people. So in the meantime, I got to thinking, I wonder, because the motors in these things don't generate the same suction that a regular vacuum would generate. And I got to thinking, I wonder how much is getting missed by these robot vacuum cleaners. And as a for instance, the master bedroom, and it's something of a mess. I'm not going to try to not to show you all of it, but for over 5 years, that's a air purifier I've got sitting on a cooler. I just got that about a month ago. But anyway, for over 5 years, this room, for instance, obviously has carpet and has only been vacuumed by the robot vacuum cleaner. And now I'm wondering how much, if anything, has been missed. And so I wanted to break out the old warhorse, the Shark Professional Rotator. It's a fabulous vacuum, by the way. It actually outlasted a Dyson ball that we bought when we bought the house. That was the latest, greatest thing, and it was like $500, I think, but it sure didn't last long. And then we got this, and it rotates and swivels just like the Dyson ball does. But to be fair, I've cleaned out the filters, rinsed them out, and now going to put it in so it's functioning the way that it should be. So we can see the dustbin it's empty. And then we place this little filter, we just drop it down in there like that. This goes over top of that, and that drops in, and that snaps back in place. Now let's go vacuum that room and see what if anything that the robot vacuum's been missing. And again, this is excuse me, over 5 years of just the robot vacuum in this room. So we'll So the moment of truth, we'll take the bin off and go empty it. There we go. Wow. That's kind of what I was guessing. That's quite a bit of dirt and dust that I think I got the camera turned the wrong way for you here. There, that should be better. But yeah, so you might want to supplement your robot vacuuming with some regular vacuuming as well. And this Shark vacuum, if they still sell this version, like I said, it's been an old warhorse outlasted the Dyson by a long shot. And if they still sell that version, I'll see if there's a link and put that down below if that helps anybody that's looking for one. But pretty interesting. Anyway, thanks for watching.